Have you ever noticed how much your mood can change when you're grateful? When you think about all the good things in your life, it's hard to feel bad, isn't it? But what if we took this one step further? What if we used gratitude as a way to learn English? I'm not going to lie to you. Learning a language is not easy. It takes time and effort. But what if we could make it a little bit easier? What if we could use something as simple as gratitude to help us learn English faster and more effectively? Well, today I want to share with you a simple but powerful technique that will help you do just that. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of gratitude and take your English to the next level, then let's get started. When you express gratitude, you are focusing on the positive. Instead of dwelling on the negative or the things you don't have, you are appreciating what you do have. And when you do this, you start to attract more positivity into your life. And this can have a ripple effect on your English learning journey. When you're positive, you're more motivated, more engaged, and more open to learning. You're also more likely to see the good in yourself and in others, which can help you build confidence and improve your communication skills. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed how much your mood can change when you're grateful? When you think about all the good things in your life, it's hard to feel bad, isn't it? But what if we took this one step further? What if we used gratitude as a way to learn English? There are many ways to incorporate gratitude into your English learning journey. One way is to keep a daily gratitude journal in English. This can be as simple as writing down 3 things that you are grateful for each day. As you do this in English, you'll start to notice that your mood improves. You'll start to focus on the positive, and this can have a ripple effect on your learning. When you're positive, you're more motivated, more engaged, and more open to learning. You're also more likely to see the good in yourself and in others, which can help you build confidence and improve your communication skills. Another way to use gratitude to improve your English is to practice mindful appreciation. This means taking the time to really appreciate and savor the good things in your life. For example, when you eat a delicious meal, take a moment to appreciate the food, the people who prepared it, and the experience of eating itself. Or when you spend time with loved ones, really be present and appreciate their company. When you do this in English, you'll start to notice that you feel better. You'll start to focus on the positive, and this can have a ripple effect on your learning. When you're positive, you're more motivated, more engaged, and more open to learning. You're also more likely to see the good in yourself and in others, which can help you build confidence and improve your communication skills. In addition to these 2 powerful techniques, there are some simple but effective ways to use gratitude to support your English learning journey. Here are a few ideas. 1. Use positive affirmations in English. Positive affirmations are statements that you repeat to yourself in order to build up your confidence and improve your mindset. For example, you could say things like, "I am grateful for my ability to learn English," or "I am becoming more fluent in English every day." By repeating these affirmations to yourself in English, you start to believe them, and this will help you stay positive and motivated on your learning journey. 2. Surround yourself with positive people in English. The people you surround yourself with can have a big impact on your mindset and attitude. So make an effort to connect with other English learners and speakers who are positive and supportive. You can join online communities, attend social events, and make new friends who will encourage you on your learning journey. 3. Practice acts of kindness and gratitude in English. Acts of kindness are a great way to boost your mood, and they also show others that you're grateful for what you have. So make an effort to do something nice for someone else each day and express your gratitude in English. This could be as simple as saying thank you to someone who has helped you or giving a compliment to a stranger. By practicing acts of kindness and expressing gratitude in English, you'll start to feel better, and this will have a ripple effect on your learning. When you're positive, you're more motivated, more engaged, and more open to learning. You're also more likely to see the good in yourself and in others, which can help you build confidence and improve your communication skills. As you continue to use these techniques to cultivate gratitude in your life, you may start to notice that your English is improving without you even realizing it. That's because when you're grateful, you're more open to new experiences, more willing to try new things, and more able to see the good in yourself and in others. And all of these are essential for effective communication and strong relationships. It's important to remember that learning a language takes time and effort. There will be ups and downs, and there will be times when you feel discouraged. But if you can find ways to make the process more enjoyable and more meaningful for yourself, you're more likely to stick with it and ultimately succeed. And that's where the power of gratitude comes in. When you're grateful for the journey, for the challenges, and for the triumphs, it becomes easier to stay motivated and keep moving forward. So if you're struggling to learn English, I encourage you to try incorporating some of these techniques into your routine. Keep a daily gratitude journal, practice mindful appreciation, use positive affirmations, surround yourself with positive people, and practice acts of kindness. As you do, you may start to notice that your English is improving without you even realizing it. And that's the beautiful thing about gratitude. When you focus on the positive, when you appreciate what you have, and when you express thanks, you create a ripple effect that touches every area of your life, including your ability to communicate in a new language. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it has given you some new ideas for incorporating gratitude into your English learning journey. If you have any thoughts or suggestions, please share them in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about English or exploring other topics related to language learning, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best in your English learning journey. May it be filled with joy, gratitude, and endless possibilities. Until next time, happy learning. If you want to become fluent in English faster, you need to practice. But how can you practice if you don't have anyone to practice with? If this is your problem, then don't worry, because I have the solution for you. Our website offers a safe and comfortable environment for you to practice your English with other learners and native speakers. You can chat with other learners and native speakers anytime you want. In addition, you can attend various language exchange events hosted by our website. At these events, you can practice your English speaking skills and make new friends who share a passion for languages. Learning a language shouldn't be stressful. It should be fun and rewarding. That's why our website is dedicated to making the learning process as enjoyable as possible. We believe that everyone can learn a language, and we're here to help you reach your language learning goals. So what are you waiting for? Sign up on our website today and start practicing your English. It's the best decision you'll ever make.